Hey guys, it's Miss Robinson again. Um, I'm going to go through right now and I'm going to show you how to get on and what to expect for Pearson Realize. So as you can see, I'm on our Weebly address, which is lorirobinsonbis.weebly.com. Once you're on the home page, if you'll click on the link that says NTI, you'll see Pearson Realize in a button. If you just click on that button, it'll take you right to the Pearson website. Over here, you're going to type in your child's username. Now, everybody's username is different. So there was a paper that was sent home Friday with your child's username. Make sure you find that paper to see what they need to do to log in to Pearson. Everybody's password is Tigers1234, just like iReady. So once you put username and password, all you do is click sign in. And then this is what you'll see. At the top, you'll have your child's name and the picture that they chose. Down here, you'll have My Work and Explore. We're going to be looking at the My Work tab. If you click on that, you'll see your assignments. The first assignment that we're going to be working on is 11-1. That's the first topic, or that's the first lesson in topic 11. So all you'll do is click Get Started. And as you can see, the assignments come up in order. So this is the assignment you'll do first, second, third, and then fourth. So for the first assignment, all you do is click on it and it pulls it up. This assignment is interactive. So the children are going to be able to draw on this page or use place value blocks, whatever they need. If you see this little sound button at the top, if they click on it, it'll read the problem for them. I want to show you a couple tools on the right side of the screen that you can use with your child. They may need help doing this a time or two since they are not familiar with it. The first one, this is the cursor. If you want to just click on something on the page. This next button is draw. So it pops up. They can choose their pen color, the size of it, so they can draw place value blocks. And then they can erase them with the eraser. And they'll catch on quick because this is stuff that we use in class. This stamp button, it'll have counters, connecting cubes, and this is the one that's really going to help them place value blocks. So you can choose ones, tens. That's what we'll be working with during this lesson. So they can choose the place value block, put it on the page. So the problem is 40 subtract 10, so they've got their 40. They go back to draw, they can X one out to see how many place value blocks are left, and they can fill in the problems at the bottom of the page. When your child is finished with this assignment, all they do is press this check at the top right, and it will turn the work in to the teacher, and that way they can see it. Once they have finished the solve and share, they're going to exit out of this, and they're going to watch the video that goes with this lesson. So it's called the Visual Learning Bridge, and they'll do this each day with each lesson. So it's number 2. So you click on it, the video pops up, and they will watch this video. This is going to walk them through the lesson for today. After that, you just exit out. And then this right here, number 3, is the actual practice part of the lesson for each day. Now for 11-1, 11-2, and 11-3, your child should have paper copies, but after that, they'll either need to print this lesson off, or they can just write their answers on a normal sheet of paper. So you can see this is a PDF, so you can't write on it, but just download the lesson or just let them write on a piece of paper. It's fine. After that, you're going to exit back out. And then the last thing they're going to do today is the quick check. So what this does is it's just a formative assessment to let the teacher know if the child is getting it or if they are struggling. Just click start. It's 5 questions. They press the little play button. It'll read the question to them. They just pick a multiple choice answer, A, B, C, or D. And then they move on to the next question. And like I said, there's 5 questions. when they get finished, just click next. Okay, and it tells me I've not answered any of the questions. So right there, you can see if your child is missing a question, they can go back and do it. So let's see. It's going to make me go back and answer. Let's see. That should let me turn it in now. Okay, so I've got all of these questions. I answered some of them and left some blank. But this is what I want you to see. At the bottom, when I'm finished, this submit test, I'm going to click on that. And the assignment is going to go to my teacher. And I'm going to be able to see which ones I got right and which ones I got wrong. The ones that I got wrong, I can even go to the question and I can read that question again and I can try to answer it again. So that is the daily routine that we're going to use for Pearson Realize. If you have any questions or any concerns, please feel free to contact us. Here's our email addresses: lori.robinson@bville.kyschools.us or melissa.soper@bville.kyschools.us. Again, our Weebly address is at the top: lorirobinsonbis.weebly.com. Guys, we're here to help any way we can. Feel free to message us on Remind, email us, Facebook message if you have to. We just want to be here to help you. Thanks.